In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on both Windows and Mac computers. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal projects, getting Microsoft Teams set up is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in. First, we need to head to the Microsoft Teams website. Open your preferred internet browser and type in the URL www.microsoft.com/Microsoft Teams download app. This page is the official download site where you can grab the installation package that's right for your device. Next, you'll choose your device. If you're on a Windows computer, look for the option that says Download for Desktop. There, you'll be asked to choose between Teams for work or school or a free version if you don't have an account tied to an organization. On the other hand, if you're using a Mac, clicking Download for Desktop will prompt the site to detect your system automatically and provide you with a .pkg file needed for installation. Now let's proceed with installation on a Windows computer. Once your .exe installer has downloaded, find the file in your Downloads folder and double-click to open it. Follow the on-screen setup wizard prompts, which are designed to guide you through the process with minimal input required. Before you know it, Microsoft Teams will launch and you can then sign in using your Microsoft 365 account or just your work or school or even a free Teams account if that's what you've set up. For Mac users, the installation steps are slightly different but just as simple. After the .pkg file completes downloading, open it in your Downloads folder. You'll go through a series of installation prompts typical for Mac installations, and you might be asked to enter your administrator password to allow changes. Once done, head over to your Applications folder to find Microsoft Teams. Open up the app and sign in with your Microsoft account to begin using it. And that's it. By following these steps, you can have Microsoft Teams up and running on your device in no time, ready to enhance your communication and productivity needs. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips like this one.